Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing my Insta360 X4 quick reader. My idea for this was if I have this and I can just quickly get data or the video content or the image content on my phone quicker, it would save my X4's battery life. I also kind of thought, like, if I've got a DJI Pro, what do you call it, a drone or other product that needs an SD card, I mean, that could be quite cool to use. So let's open her up. Oh, completely broke the box already. But if we open her up, let's see. I didn't get that completely off. And pretty much in the box, you've got one user guide. Pretty much just explaining how it works. Cool. And one Insta360 X4 quick reader. Drum roll. And then there you have it. I wonder how that would work. Should be a interesting first learning experience. But anyways, yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments on how my Insta360 X4, bit of a tongue twister, quick reader went, drop me a comment below and I'll happily let you know how it's going. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.